Saint-Remy, France, and it's painted at the hospital where he put himself to sort of take care of himself and recuperate. And he had 2 rooms there, and he could look outside the windows, he could walk the grounds. And so it is essentially what he might have seen looking out one of those windows, but of course he's done many different things to it, combined art history, his emotions, and that's what makes it so special.
Where did he get the influence of just wanting to do so much with nature?
In terms of nature, that's something that he loved from the get-go, and he talks about in his letters to Theo, sort of memories of walking around and finding different little animals and studying nature and plants and sketching them from a very early time.
One thing that we get to see when we're here is texture, and the other is the incredible amount of color, which is amazing. Do you know where he got some of these influences and what pressed him to want to use so much paint?
I think that's one of the most amazing things about Vincent van Gogh, because he tried on different styles and was exposed to a lot of art history. But then he really settled upon this, what we tend to call parallel brushwork, although there's nothing really parallel about it. It's moving and undulating, but very, very thickly encrusted. A lot of impasto, a lot of paint on the surface. And it seems to have been something that allowed him to really express himself, to really pour himself into the paint. And that texture, I mean, it's almost haptic and touchable. And yet in places we can see the bare canvas. So it's not completely covered. It's where he's moved to paint and express himself.